Hello viewers, welcome back. Today I got here the Can-Am Outlander 700 and I'm going to be installing the heated grips. So let's get to it. Here's everything that comes in the kit. You have your two grips, a thumb warmer, a bag of zip ties, and some rubbers for the thumb warmer, and a harness. I'll put the part number in the description below, as well as a link to some of my favorite tools. If you want the paper instructions, go to Google, type in BRP instructions, enter your part number, click the link, and you can print the instructions from here. The first thing I'm going to do is remove the display cover, the seat, and the glove box. There are 7 Torx 30 screws holding on the glove box. Next, I'll use a Phillips screwdriver and a pry tool to remove the bar ends. In my experience, the only way to remove stock grips is to take a knife and cut them off. You want to make sure to get the handlebar as clean as possible so that the new grip slides on with ease. Now I can slide on the new grips and tighten up the 3mm Allen head key screw. The right grip and the left grip are slightly different, so make sure you have them on the proper side. And on the back side, there's an alignment mark. Make sure it is aligned with the switch cluster. Now I'm going to remove the rubber cover on the throttle and then clean it with iso alcohol. Now I can peel away the plastic and stick my thumb heater to the throttle. The kit provides us with 2 different covers. Pick the one that fits your machine. Use a little bit of soapy water to help install it, and then cut off the pull tab. I'm going to add a small zip tie at the back of the thumb rubber. Here you can see the zip tie holding the rubber and the wire to the throttle. Now I'm going to take my wires and zip tie them to the handlebars. I'm going to move the throttle to full throttle. I'm going to take the thumb warmer wire and secure it to the bars, making sure there's plenty of slack so that it does not get pulled tight when operating the throttle. I've gone ahead and routed the wires from both sides up beside the air box here and zip tied them to the original wire harness. Next, I'm going to connect and route the harness. I'm going to connect this end to the heated hand grips and thumb warmer, and then I'm going to route it down the right side of the vehicle to the junction box underneath the seat. gone ahead and routed the harness around the fuse box there, around the coolant tank, and then alongside the original wire harness, throwing in a few zip ties along the way wherever I can. It then gets plugged in line to the stock wire harness here, and put the dummy connector back in the panel and close it up. Now reinstall everything removed. To turn on your heated hand grips, turn your machine on, hold the button down. It'll come up on the dash, and now you can tap the button and adjust the heat levels. If you hold down the button for an extended period of time, you can control just the thumb by itself. If you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click up here to check out the next video. This has been my heated hand grip install on the Can-Am Outlander 700. Ride safe.